welcome to my channel. Today I will install a four-way that is wireless on the other two switches. First you will change this one. This is a regular switch, dimmer switch. So I'm using this three-way four-way switch. So this one should be connected on a ground wire, the green or a bare wire. But of course, before you do this, you have to turn off the power to make sure that it will not be electrocuted, or this unit, when it's spark, it won't it won't break, it won't damage, because this is a sensitive switch. Okay, there. These two wire you can connect either way. This can go there and this can go here. It doesn't matter where does you connect that. The most important is the green wire to be connected on the ground wire. Just tied it properly so it won't become loose later on. And then you need to put it inside to to tuck it properly. You have to tie it properly, otherwise when they get hot they become loose. Okay. Okay. In my case, I'm using this drill to make it more faster, but you can use a regular Philip on this one. Then just level it. Put it in the center, like there. And this one there. Okay, and I will go and check the power. Turn on the breaker. Okay, so there is a power already there, and this one, see there, there. Okay, so there, and turn it on again. Okay. Okay, let's connect this wireless switch to this main switch. First, we have to press this until those light blinks. Let's see. See, now it's blinking. Then press this one. We'll see. We'll wait. Now, see, it's working. Okay, so see that light over there? We'll control it by this one, and see there. Even if I'm even if I'm here, I can control that. See that one there, there, and then I will use the other one. Let's check the other one. I have two. This one and that one. Let me see this one, if this is working. Yeah, it's working. So there. So I just need to remove this tape and remove this tape, and put a chair there. Let me try this one there. Okay, there. And we will check the other one, put it on other switch, other plate, switch plate, cover plate, and we will see. Oh, well, okay, put a chair. See there, and turn it off. Okay, we go on the other side, turn it on, we go to the third switch, turn it off. See there. So again, go on the middle one, turn it on there, and go. Okay, we are done for now, so please check the link below for the switches I've used on this project, and don't forget to click and subscribe on my channel. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.